Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unpin message in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to unpin a message in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, in order to unpin a particular message in Viber, open the chat box on which you had pinned a message. So I had pinned a message over here on this chat box, guys. You can see there's a message at the top over here where it says pin today at that time. And in order to unpin a particular message, guys, you can see on the pin side at the top of the screen, at the right side of there is the cross icon available for us just below the three dotted icon on the message pinned over here. Now, in order to unpin that message, tap on the cross icon which is at the top right corner just below the three dotted icons over here, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see it says this will remove the pin for all users. Tap on OK on this box and that message will be unpinned on your Viber chat. And there, guys, this is how to unpin a message in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.